Hello everyone, this is Sujata. Welcome to my channel. If anybody is watching first time this channel, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get the new updates and more videos. In previous video, I have already explained rational numbers. Yes, so I have already said about the commutative property. What is commutative property means? To communicate two members are compulsory. So if we add two numbers, the answer is same even the order is changed. So remember like that. Now associative property. What is associative property? What is associative property means? First listen this one. Suppose 100 or more than 100 people are there. They are going to some excursion or some party. Okay, some picnic. It will be difficult to the teacher for controlling those members. So here one more teacher is there for helping. She is called associate teacher. So here more than two numbers. First we will say under addition. Under addition. Okay. For all A comma B comma C belongs to rational number, A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C. Okay children, here just if we are taking more than two numbers, okay, here just and here what I am doing is group is changed. Here B plus C is one group, here A plus B is one group. Total numbers are same, A plus B plus C. Here B plus C one group, here A plus B one group. Okay. So I am taking the values. A is equal to 1 by 3, B equal to 4 by 3, C equal to 2 by 5. First LHS I will do. LHS I will do. Okay. A means 1 by 3 plus 4 by 3 plus 2 by 5. Okay. Now 1 by 3 plus 3 and 5 are here co-prime numbers. They does not have common factors. So LCM is just multiplication. 3 5s 15. 15 is LCM. Okay. 3 5s 15. 4 5s 20. Plus 5 3s 15. 2 3s 6. 1 by 3 plus 20 plus 6 is 26 by 50. Again LCM of 3 and 15. Okay. LCM is 3 and 15. LCM is 3 ones, 3 fives. 15 is LCM. 3 fives 15, 1 fives 5 plus 15 ones 15, 26 ones 26. So answer is 26 plus 5 is 31. 31 by 15. Okay. Now RHS I am doing. RHS first, A plus B is one group. So 1 by 3 plus 4 by 3 plus C means 2 by 5. Okay. 1 by 3 and 4 by 3 means, okay, directly add because denominator is same. 4 plus 1, 5 by 3. Okay, 5 by 3 plus 2 by 5. LCM is again co-prime numbers. 3 5s, 15 is LCM. Okay, 3 5s 15, so 5 5s 25 plus 5 3s 15, 2 3s 6. 25 plus 6 is again here 31 by 15. So LHS and RHS are equal. So here associative property is satisfied under which operation? Addition operation. And now associative property under multiplication we will see. Again the values are A equal to 2 by 3, B equal to 1 by 3 and C equal to 2 by 5. Okay. Associative property means A into B into C equal to A into B into C. Okay. A means 2 by 3 LHS. Into B means 1 by 3 into 2 by 5. First I am doing LHS only. 2 by 3. No cancellations. First what is in the bracket I am doing that one only. 1 2's 2 by 3 5's 15. Okay. Again no cancellations also. 2 2's 4 by 15 3's 45. This is the LHS. Now what is RHS we will do? RHS means A into B 2 by 3 into 1 by 3. Okay. Into C means 2 by 5. 2 by 5. Okay. 2 ones 2 by 3 threes 9 into 2 by 5. 2 twos 4 by 9 fives 45. LHS is 4 by 45. RHS also 4 by 45. So associative property is verified under which operation? Multiplication operation. Okay. But associative property is not possible in subtraction and division. Okay children. Now one more properties I will tell, that is role of 0. What is the role of 0? We will learn now. Okay. Role of 0. Here identity I will tell. What is identity means? Suppose one boy is there. One boy is there. He is seeing in the mirror. He is seeing in the mirror. Whose face will appear in the mirror? His face only. Suppose his name is A means his face only will appear. A face only will appear in the mirror. Okay. Suppose B is seeing in the mirror means whose image will be appear? B's image only. Okay. So that is called A is watching in the A is seeing in the mirror means his image only. He is called its identity. A's identity only. B is seeing in the mirror means B's identity only. Okay. Suppose for any rational number 2 is there, what number should be added to 2 to get the same answer again 2? Very good. 0. Okay. What rational number to add it to 1 by 5 to get the again answer same 1 by 5? 0. So here 0 is called additive identity because answer is same. Answer is not changing. So here 0 is called additive identity. Okay. For any rational number, A plus 0 equal to A. 0 plus A equal to again A. So what is additive identity? 0. Okay. Now multiplicative identity also there. Multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity. Okay. Which rational number, what should be multiplied by 3 to get the same answer again 3? Multiplied, but answer is same 3. Okay now, so 1. Which rational number to be multiplied by 2 by 5? We will get again the same answer 2 by 5. 1. Okay. Which rational number A is multiplied by, again we will get the same answer A. 1. So here, what is the multiplicative identity? By which number we are multiplying? Again we are getting the same answer, same rational number, 1. Very good. What is additive identity? 0. What is multiplicative identity? 1. Still, some more properties are there, children. Those are inverse properties and distributive. We will discuss in the next video. Okay. Please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get the new updates and more videos.